Let's talk about the next type of motion, that is the circular motion. Dear students, we all have enjoyed these swings, and also in your previous classes you must have seen some circular bands which you used to play with. An object is said to be in circular motion when it moves around a fixed point called its axis. When an object moves along a circular path, it is said to be in circular motion. Circular motion is classified into two types, revolution and rotatory motion. So rotatory motion is also a kind of circular motion in which an object moves about a fixed axis without changing its position. For example, the motion of blades of a fan, the wheel of a sewing machine, and a merry-go-round wheel, the spinning wheel, potter's wheel, all these are examples of rotatory motion. Then comes the revolution. When a body as a whole moves in a circular path, its motion is called revolution and the body is said to revolve. For example, Earth revolves around the Sun, and all the planets they revolve around the Sun, means the whole body it moves in a circular path around the Sun. It is known as revolution, and the Earth completes its one revolution in 365 1/4 day. When we talk about rotatory motion, then we can say that when a body undergoes translatory motion in such a way that its parts cover different distances in a given time. But let us take it in a simple and easy definition, that when an object it is moving in rotatory motion, we call it that object is moving about a fixed axis. So we can say an object is said to be in rotatory motion if it moves about a fixed axis without changing its position. Let's come to the random motion. Irregular motion means there is no regularity. Any point at any time, anything can move any side. Irregular motion of a body in which the direction is not fixed. Nothing is fixed in this motion. The body can move any time in any direction. That type of irregular motion is known as random motion.